Hey, quick question. Who doesn't love finding ways to save a little extra cash on the things that we buy all the time? And wouldn't it be awesome if there was a super simple way to do it without any hassle? Well, I just discovered something really, really cool that you've got to hear about. There's this app I've been totally loving, and it's totally free, and it actually helps you save like anywhere from 5% to even 25% cash back on everyday stuff. Seriously, like groceries, drinks, electronics, your favorite takeout, gadgets, clothes, you name it. And it literally takes 2 minutes to set up. So here's what I do. I open up the Save Club app, and don't worry, I'll leave the link somewhere in the comments section or somewhere here on this page. And right away, I can see all the categories for cashback. Personally, I'm all about the food spots because if you know me, with recreational and travel ball sports for my kids, and we've got a family who just love to eat out. So we probably love to eat out a couple times a month minimum. And that can get expensive quick. The cool part, the deals change based on where you are. So when I was in Valencia, California the other day, I can get all the Valencia, California offers. And when I'm here in LA where I'm at, I get all the LA offers. So wherever you're at, you'll see all your local offers. But here's where the magic step happens that you don't want to miss. You simply link your credit or debit card, and literally that's all it takes. You use your card the way you usually do, and your cash back lands right into your account. No showing QR codes, no hunting for promo codes. I just love the simplicity of it. And if travel is on your radar this year, there's awesome deals for flights, hotels, and all your travel essentials. So grab it now at appsperk.com. That's appsperk.com, and try it out and let me know what you think. I'll catch you again real soon. Peace and love.